Hill tik pastlikka tushish tepaligi, tik tushish, pastga qarab ketuvchi tepalik.
Steep hill downward or steep descent or hill downgrade.
Hill with grade, nishabli tepalik, masalan 6% pasayish bor.
Hill with grade.
Tik burilish, yuk mashinasi ag'darilishi mumkin.
Truck rollover, warning for sharp curve.
Tik burilish tavsiya etilgan tezligi bilan.
Advisory speed, truck rollover, warning for sharp curve. Deer crossing. Low clearance ahead.
Nam bo'lsa yo'l sirpanchiq bo'ladi.
Slippery when wet. Falling rocks. Pedestrian crossing. Railroad crossing.
Yo'l oldinda ikkala tomondan torayadi.
Road narrows both sides ahead.
Ikkita ketma-ket burilish.
Right reverse turn ahead.
O'ngga egilgan burilish.
Right curve ahead.
O'ng tomonga keskin burilish.
Sharp curve to right.
Chapga egri-bugri yo'l.
Winding road left.
Keskin ilmoqsimon burilish.
Right hairpin curve.
270 darajalik keskin burilish.
Very sharp 270-degree curve.
Chevron belgili o'ng tomonga keskin burilish.
Chevron alignment sign sharp. Curve to right ahead.
Tik yuqoriga tepalikka chiqish.
Steep hill upward or steep ascent or hill upgrade.